Hey everyone, how's it going? Jamie here with Originality AI. Originality AI is an online plagiarism and AI content detector, boasting a 99% accuracy rating for its AI content detection. Welcome back to the channel, and in today's episode, we're just going to be taking a look at some of these so-called AI content detector bypassers, like Quillbot, StealthGPT, Cognibypass, and Undetectable.ai. Really interested to see if they can bypass Originality AI, as we have noticed unintentionally that our AI content detector can detect paraphrased content, especially from the likes of Quillbot. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so for this test, we're just going to be using elephants as our topic for today. So I've just gone onto WWF here, and I'm going to grab this information here. This is just to use as a base case for Originality. So I will head over into Originality and uncheck the plagiarism and readability. Click scan now. And of course it has correctly identified that this is 99% original. Originality AI works on a confidence rating. So in this case, our AI is 99% confident that this is original content, which is of course true. Okay, so let's start looking at ChatGPT and the paraphrased content. So we'll just start a new scan, and we'll use GPT 3.5 for this one because that's obviously the free version, and I want to make this as fair as possible. This is what the majority of people will be using. So we'll just ask it to write us a paragraph about elephant. Okay, so we finished our paragraph about elephants. Nice and short, so it should work out in all of the paraphrases. And we'll head back over to Originality, paste our content in here. And of course, as expected, we have a 100% confidence rating that this is AI. So let's go on to our first app. So we'll use Quillbot first of all. Fits within our constraints of Quillbot, and let's paraphrase it. I'm also just going to be pasting each of these into Grammarly. I'm not going to be editing them through Grammarly. I just want to make sure that the grammar and the punctuation still is up to scratch, and it hasn't changed the text so that it's unreadable, just for the sake of bypassing the AI. Okay, so we're just using the free version of Grammarly here. Paste this in, and we have a couple of things, but nothing too major, so that's good. And now let's paste it into Originality and see how it does. And once again, Originality AI has detected this as 100% AI. Okay, so let's grab our original content again. And this time we're going to be using Undetectable AI. So we'll paste that into there. Readability University, General Writing, and we're going to go for more human. Okay, so let's click Humanize. Okay, so we have our output from Undetectable AI. We can see here that it says, or it claims to pass all of these. Interestingly, Originality AI is not on here. So we'll copy this output again and paste it into Grammarly just to make sure everything is decent. Okay, so we've got a couple of reds, but nothing major, just a little bit of punctuation. Not too bad, still very readable. And we will paste this into Originality AI. So start a new scan. And we can see here Originality AI is 98% confident that this is AI generated content, which again, of course, is in fact correct. So far Quillbot and Undetectable AI are unsuccessful. Next on the list, we have Cognibypass here. So we'll just paste our text and click bypass. This is a credits-based system, so 5 credits deducted. So this one does in fact claim to bypass Originality AI. Let's see if that is the case. So first things first, let's paste it into Grammarly. Make sure that it is still readable. Okay, seems relatively readable. Nothing too major, just a couple of smaller suggestions. And let's paste it into Originality. Excited to see how this one does, as it does claim to pass Originality. Okay, Interestingly enough, Originality is unsure if this is original or if it is AI. This sentence seems very odd. As the biggest land pets in the world, they have exceptional mix of stamina plus meekness. I would argue that that is not a good sentence. But alas, it's 50-50, original and AI. Okay, so the last one we have here is StealthGPT. So let's paste our text into there and bypass AI detection. They emit a regal aura. I love that. Okay, so we'll copy that and paste it into Grammarly. And it seems to be pretty good. No major punctuation issues. Won't add a full stop. No full stop at the end though, that is interesting. And let's paste it into Originality, shall we? So once again, this has detected it as 100% AI. Okay, so of these results, we can see that only one of them was a 50-50 with Originality AI. So that is a 1 in 4 chance of being able to bypass Originality AI, maybe. I would not say that that is a very good percentage chance rate. I might do a more in-depth review of Cognibypass to see if it is able to consistently somewhat bypass Originality. Anyway, I've been Jamie with Originality AI. Thanks once again for watching, and I'll see you next time.